This locomotive, Kur Ed class number 327, that is why you can see 27 there, was constructed in 1926. What I'm trying to say is that it was this 2027 model. You remember when we started computers, we used to have Windows 96, Windows 97, isn't it? So this class number 327, which was constructed in 1926, it has been painted to its original color. It was used for shunting and branch line. Shunting, it means kuunganisha mabogi, kuunganisha mabogi, and also placing some things, parking them in the branch line. This is now the engine number 326.